video, we're going to show you how to properly perform the belt's tensioning on the saw blades. Safety first. To perform this operation, make sure you wear heavy-duty gloves. Disc's teeth are sharp. Start positioning the head in a safe and solid stand or lowered to the ground to ensure stability. Turn off the engine. Install the blade's protection that comes standard with the machine. Place the first portion of one side, connect the second portion, and bolt them on to secure them in place. With a 10mm Allen wrench, unscrew all the top screws on both sides. Lift the white and red reflecting tape and complete the operation on these screws. Lift the aluminum cover and motor and set it on the side. The tension adjustment needs to be made in sequence, starting from pulley directly driven by the hydraulic motor. With an extended 10mm Allen wrench, loosen the screws. Half turn is sufficient. After loosening all four with 2 regular wrenches, loosen the lock nut and use the second to tighten the belt. We want the belts to be stiff, and the movement of the belts when applying side pressure with the tool, like a screwdriver or wrench, shouldn't exceed 2 mm of play between the sidewall and belt. Tighten the nuts to secure the adjustment, and tighten the 4 screws. Repeat this operation to all the hubs following the sequence of belts transmission. Reinstall the cover to the saw bar.